Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 31st, 2022. Yes, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle number. This will be number 5104. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count those boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Let me think. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. It's not helping me. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 column. 2 columns. We have 2 columns. Yeah. I think we need to compare with the rows. This row and that row. Alright. 1, 1. Oh. 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1. Oh. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this is going to be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Need to compare again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well. Do we have a double 1 here? No. I think we need to compare the 1001. 1001. No. Come on. It's taking too long. Well, the first column and that column. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh. 011, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Oh, wait. Now, compare again. I don't believe this. Again. 10. Do we have a 10 here? No. So this row I cannot compare. How about 011 here? Almost the same. Yeah, this row and that row. All right. Oh, 1. Empty box. Oh, 1. We need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Well, I like this one, yes. A lot of comparing. And if you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.